Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about animal cell. All living things are made up of cells, and cells hold all of the equipment and information necessary to keep an organism alive. Each type of cell performs a different function. There are nerve cells in your brain that receive messages and others that send messages. There are blood cells that carry oxygen around the body and others that protect the body against disease. An animal cell looks like this. In this picture you can see that the main parts of the cell are the nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane and vacuole. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. The nucleus also controls the cell's growth and reproduction. And the cytoplasm helps to move materials around the cell and also dissolves waste. The vacuole is a space in the cytoplasm containing air, liquid or food. The cell membrane acts as a barrier to the world outside the cell. It lets the right things out of the cell and stops dangerous things getting in. The smaller parts within a cell are called organelles. So I hope so you understood this simple concept about animal cell. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.